Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a catalytic converter on a Nissan Versa. First, gather all your tools, including a good set of wrenches, sockets, and a reliable jack. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and stable on jack stands. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work to prevent electrical issues. Now, let's get to removing the old converter. You'll need to locate and disconnect the oxygen sensors, usually one before and one after the catalytic converter. Next, carefully unbolt the exhaust pipes that connect to both ends of the converter. Don't forget to remove any mounting brackets or hangers that secure the unit to the vehicle's undercarriage. With the old converter out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new catalytic converter into its proper place, aligning it with the exhaust pipes. Securely bolt the exhaust pipes to the new unit, ensuring a tight, leak-free connection. Finally, reconnect the oxygen sensors and all mounting hardware, making sure everything is snug and secure. Before you're done, perform a thorough double check of all connections to ensure they are tight and there are no exhaust leaks. Reconnect your battery's negative terminal and start the engine, listening for any unusual noises or exhaust leaks. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your catalytic converter. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.